In company of party leaders, community development associations and other stakeholders, the member representing Ikorodu Federal Constituency in the National Assembly, Honorable Babajimi Benson, embarked on an on-the-spot inspection of some ongoing road construction projects in the division.
You've seen that we are so passionate in completing this road because the people who live here are very, very loyal people, very hardworking people, very thoughtful people. They always deliver votes for the party from top to bottom. So we should also be able to put smiles on their faces. What do they want? They want infrastructure. So we're going to ensure that that infrastructure is delivered here before May 2029.
From Solibo Estate, where 5 internal roads are currently undergoing reconstruction simultaneously to enhance mobility, safety, and the overall quality of life for residents, to the 7.5-kilometer Agbede-Itaoluwo Road project, which was flagged off in September.
We also have Orimedu, Italuwo, and Ajegunle. In total, we have 120 CDA. We are going to 120 CDA are going to benefit from this road. And if you are going outside Ikorodu, you don't need to go to roundabout. You can take this place and link Ogun State, and you are off. So it's going to reduce traffic on the roundabout in Ikorodu. And
the lawmaker expressed satisfaction with the pace and quality of work on the project, noting that the positive feedback and appreciation from residents were deeply encouraging.
Ikorodu is leading in voter registration as we speak. And it is not because of anything, but because we have been able to bridge the infrastructure gap. Infrastructure is gradually returning to Ikorodu. True or false? True. I must also commend the governor. We were coming through Ishao Road. We've seen significant progress. True or false?
True. The road project, described as a long-desired intervention, would significantly improve connectivity, ease transportation challenges, attract investment, and boost economic activities across the benefiting communities in the division. Adeshegun Igap, LTV News.